Kaya naman po ito, para si Joey Papas, hindi kasi nagtatawagan pa rin kami. Sabi niya, ay ba na,
Tulad ng pagkatalaga kay General Sarmiento bilang Claims Board Chairman. Tulad ng pagtatalaga kay General Sarmiento ng PNP sa Claims Board. Tutulad!
Kasama kayo mo? Tatlo lang po ang kailangan natin mo. Ano kasi?
Oo nga eh. Ito na yung isa nga eh. Saan ko lang? Ano na? Pwede na mag-try? Dito? Yan, kailangan ko.
Oo, medyo sanay na kami. Pag invitation na to.
Ayan, daan.
Ay, dito pa. Kashira na. Basically, it's questioning and asking the Supreme Court to annul the appointment of General Dina Sarmiento as head of the Compensation or Claims Board for Human Rights Victims Violations under RA 10368 on the legal basis that the qualifications that have been expressly stated in the law have not been followed by the appointing power, which is the President. So we're asking the Supreme Court to issue either a temporary restraining order or a status quo ante order to withdraw the appointment for being illegal, and also to stop General Sarmiento herself from assuming the post as chair. According to mismo sa Section 8 ng batas, sa paragraph A, B, and D, unang-una, dapat members ng board, and of course, yung chair, most especially, must be of proven competence, integrity, and probity. Second, yun nga, nabanggit na kanina, clear and deep understanding and knowledge of human rights and involvement in efforts against violations during the dictatorship of President Marcos, which was supposedly had ended 28 years ago. And third, a clear and deep understanding also of human rights and protection and promotion of human rights. On all three scores, our position is that General Sarmiento has not met those qualifications. And since she was appointed by the President as the appointing authority, the act of the President, although it is discretionary, must, however, meet the qualifications stated in the law. Hindi pa pwedeng whimsical, hindi pa pwedeng capricious, hindi pa pwedeng because of his personal belief or whatever. That is immaterial. What is crucial and what is decisive is what the law says. And what the law says is what I already mentioned. No, as a matter of principle, we want anybody who qualifies under the criteria mandated by law.
napagod palagi sa bintana niya.
Ng mga nasa militar bilang miyembro ng Claims Board. Tutulad!
Katarungan sa lahat ng biktima ng batas militar!
Katarungan!